You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. Yes, I know there is quite a bit of confusion because there are different pronunciations, so it can be pronounced different ways correctly. So let's break down the two correct pronunciations. You have them spelled, the phonetic spelling. Sacral, that is generally more the US, American English pronunciation, although it's also used sometimes in the UK. Sacral, sacral. The other pronunciation, which is used more in British English, sacral. So both pronunciations are indeed correct in English. If you've been saying sacral, you haven't been wrong. If you've been saying sacral, you haven't been wrong either. Sacral, I know there are other videos on YouTube that say otherwise, but no. Sacral and sacral are the two pronunciations of this word in English. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.